To adjust your bike gears, put your bike on a bike stand or set it upside down on its seat and handlebars. Locate the front and rear derailleurs, which are the mechanisms that shift the gears and keep the chain in position. Once you've found them, test the gears one at a time while turning one of the pedals on your bike by hand. Note any spots where the gears have trouble shifting so that you can make adjustments there. If you notice that your bike can't shift down from one gear to another, loosen the derailleur cable adjuster slowly, a quarter turn at a time, by turning it counterclockwise. If you can't shift up, slowly tighten the cable adjuster by turning it clockwise. Return to your lowest gear and go through all the gears again to see if the adjustments worked. Then, take a short practice ride on your bike to see if you notice any other problems.